So if I were to go around onto the three dot button right here and then go to settings, then you can see that I don't have any profile. So what I can actually do is add a new account over here as well. So I can go around and add a new account right here and sign into sync data. Let me just go around and use my account right here, tututube@outlook.com right here, just like this. And then I'm going to go around and click on sign in. Once I do that, you can see that it says just a moment and it allows me to sign in onto my account right here. So let me just go around and enter out my password right here and sign in. So I'm just going to go around and click on next right here and sign in onto this particular account. So once I actually do that, what happens is that I have one account right here and I can manage out accounts that I have as well. So if I were to go around onto manage accounts, then you can see that it is actually taking me onto my Microsoft account right here. So let me just go around and then close all of these things down right here. That is because I just signed in. You can see that I get to my particular account over here with all of the details. So that is what I have. So what I can also do is I can add more profiles. So I can go around and add more profiles and additional email accounts as well. And as I do that, you can see that I have a different window right here, just like this. So this is what I have. So now you can see that this is what I have right here. So you can see that this is my particular account right here. This is one of my user account, this is profile 2, and this is profile 1 right here, the previous account that I have over here. And that is how you can go around and manage out multiple accounts as well. So let me just go around and close this right here, just like this again, and then go around onto my settings, just like this, close this out. And then what happens is that I can go around and add more profile right here, just like this, and I get multiple profiles. Like I got profile 2, I got profile 3 right here, and I can add in multiple profiles. And with each profile right here, I can sign in with a different email address that I may have to sync out data with that particular email address. So let's say this is a desktop computer that my family uses. Then what I can do is I can set out one for my brother, let's say for my sister, my father, my mother, and so forth. And then what happens is that all of these separate profiles of that particular account will be in one particular browser. And that is how you can add the profiles right here. So let me just go around over here onto let's say for example profiles, and you can see that you can browse up with the profile as well. And if I were to go to settings right here, then you can see that this is what you have. So you can also go around and remove out this particular profile if you don't want it anymore. Click on remove and remove profile, and that particular profile will be removed. Let's say you don't want another profile, that is profile 2 right here, then you go on to that particular profile onto settings right here. And then what you can simply do is you can go around onto the three dot button and remove out that profile over here as well, just like this. And that is how you can add and remove profiles inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.